So I want to give you 3 quick action steps that you can take today to make more luck in your own life. And the first, would you consider yourself a lucky person or an unlucky person? You know, those people that are just unlucky all the time and it seems like bad luck follows them. Or, you know, those people that are just always lucky and they always have good things happen to them. We're going to talk today about luck and how we can create more luck in our lives. You know, let's just create it ourselves. I knew a wealthy guy who just always saw all these opportunities. And he told me once that when he was a kid, someone said, "Boy, you must have some lucky star following you." And he believed that as a kid. And he just always thought throughout his life, oh, I have a lucky star following me. And he got opportunity after opportunity after opportunity. And he just had that thought of, I'm a lucky person. And I think something happens in our minds when we tell ourselves that, or when we tell ourselves that we're unlucky. We're going to talk about luck today. And what I want to talk about is like, what causes that? Like, why do our brains do that? And I'm going to read something to you here because I'd never heard this story before. But there was this research done. Someone named Dr. Wiseman's famous experiment where he asked people to count photos in a newspaper. The lucky people found a hidden message on page 2 that said, "Stop counting. There are 43 photographs in this newspaper." They saw it because they were relaxed and open. The unlucky people were so anxious to be correct that they missed the shortcut. And I think that happens all the time in our lives. And so what I want us to do to become a lucky person, since St. Patty's Day is coming up, that's why I want to talk about luck. And also, it's finally getting to be spring. When I came out here yesterday, I was blown away at how beautiful it is. So I took a few little videos. I want to show you how the forest is starting to bloom. I gotta show you, the green is finally coming back to the forest. I love it out here. See, look at that. Spring is on its way. Look how beautiful this is. Just so you can see a little bit. It is going to get really, really beautiful. It is beautiful now, but it's going to get even more majestic once all the green comes out. So I want to give you 3 quick action steps that you can take today to make more luck in your own life. And the first one is, think of like a little luck log. So like tonight, not a log of a tree, but you're logging down all your luck. Similar to how we talked about the profound provision, and I'll leave a link to the little worksheet I did because, you know, at night, instead of just making a gratitude list, write down all the ways you were lucky that day, today, and start to think about how luck can follow you. But you have to see them. You have to take the time to notice them. And that's why I have that sheet called Proof of Profound Provision. You can download it if you want to, because I think it's good to have a running list, not just for one day, but a week. All the little things that you happen to notice that happen good in your life, take note of it. The other way to help you get this list going is reframing things that you observe. And for example, you know, and I naturally do this, luckily, I naturally do this. If I see something bad, for example, if I see traffic stopped on the other side of the highway, I always say, oh man, I'm glad I'm not on that side of the road. I'm glad I'm not over there. I'm lucky that I'm on this side. You know, if I've missed whatever, if I had a bill that I forgot about and I remembered it just in the nick of time and I went and paid it, I was lucky that I remembered. So I write all these things down. I notice when all this luck happens. And the final thing is to expect luck. Expect yourself to be lucky. Expect that the universe or whatever it is, luck is going to come your way when you look for it and when you expect it. And I can give you a perfect example. Yesterday, I was going to the mailbox. I know the secret, oh, expect a check in the mail. You know, I don't do that, but I have started thinking, I want to see more money miracles. That's what I've been calling it recently, money miracles. I want to see money miracles. And so as I was going to the mailbox, I thought, well, maybe there's a money miracle there. I expect a money miracle. And there was a $15 coupon there for a store that I need to go to soon to buy a gift for a friend. And that's $15 off. So I got $15 in the mail. So I was really excited about that. So I want you to think about that, how you can create your own luck by noticing when things happen, write them down so you can keep track of them and expect them to keep happening. And as you do this day after day, you'll notice you're going to be one of those lucky people. Opportunities are going to pop up in your life. Things that you didn't notice before will be there. And trust me, you'll finally be one of those lucky people. So I want you to leave a comment. Let me know how that works for you. If you're a lucky person now, or if you're going to be a lucky person, what you're going to do to make more luck in your life, or what you have done so far to be a lucky person, so you can share that. And if you're struggling with luck, leave us a comment too, and we can help you maybe with some ideas on how to get more lucky in your life. So I appreciate y'all's attention. I want to be just a little bit of real talk real quick. You know, I've been making these YouTube videos for about 8 months now, and I'll have to be honest, I feel like I haven't done very well. I feel like the channel hasn't been very successful. There aren't many people subscribed. I'm so thankful for the ones that are, beyond a shadow of a doubt, but no one's commenting. No one's, you know, I hoped it would build a community of people where we could share life together and positive things, and it hasn't happened yet. And so I've been discouraged. And if you'll please like, subscribe, leave a comment, maybe even share some videos. Go look at the short videos. There's a lot of fun stuff out there. But just get engaged. I hope you'll do that. It'll give me some luck, but it'll help me be motivated too, because it does. I have been discouraged, and that's why I've been you know, posting less. So I hope that you'll keep that in mind. Please let me know you're here. I hope that you stay grateful, and I hope that you stay kind. As always, I'm grateful for each and every one of you, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Happy St. Patty's Day.